Hi, I'm Jackson Griggs. I'm a family doctor and the CEO of the Family Health Center. I've been practicing family medicine here in Waco for 16 years, and I'm excited to share with you a new video series that we're launching called Corona 101. I want to say that this is a challenging time for all of us. Our schools for our kids are closed, restaurants are closed. A lot of us have been instructed to stay at home. There's all kinds of misinformation out there that we're being bombarded by in our communities. And the Family Health Center wants to be a part of helping to give you accurate information. We want to help you understand in these uncertain times this virus that's among us and the disease it causes and how it's affecting our lives. We're going to release videos every Monday and Wednesday. There'll be short videos that are packed with good, accurate information. And on Fridays, we'll have a question and answer video that we'll share. This video series is meant to offer some good information, accurate facts that you need to know about the virus and about the illness it causes, but we'll also make some recommendations on some behaviors that you can implement to help prevent the spread of the coronavirus. By preventing the spread of the coronavirus, we can take care of those who are more vulnerable to the illness that the coronavirus causes. And what better way is there to love our neighbors in this season?